your fighter. Lady inspired. Fight.
Hello everybody, it's me Kalea Star, and for today's YouTube video it is going to be me installing my first lace front wig. So can I get a round of applause? Cue. Okay, so thank you. I'll be putting on my head, it's actually by Bobby Boss, and it's their lace front wig, and it's a premium synthetic wig, and this is how it looks on the card. And I just picked this up so I can learn how to do wigs. The wig, I plucked the hairline because it was very thick and I didn't want it to look very wiggy. I didn't want it to look like a wig. I want to at least look a little natural. So I plucked the hairline myself, and that's just some concealer. But this is how the wig looks on the mannequin. Yes, it is synthetic, and guess what? I'm finna rock it. And it's Swiss lace. It says that it's premium high heat fiber. So this is my first time ever installing a lace front wig. I got my wig cap and some scissors, some rubber bands to hold the hair back if I need to, because I plan on doing baby hair. Brushes, I'm probably going to use this hard one, scissor for the baby hair, and maybe to cut the lace, Eco Styler gel. So, and I have some twists in my head. I had some chunky big old twists in my head, but I took down them and I moisturized my hair and detangled it, and I just put in these smaller twists, and I'm gonna make it work. I really hope that it turns out right. As you can see, y'all, I'm in a new setup, a new filming space, and this is what I'm trying out, and it looks pretty good. So yeah, also I got this got to be glue. I don't have the spray, and this gel is gonna do what it do. You want the gel to be tacky when you laying down the lace. And then I got some clips. I'm just using some clips if I have to. So two products that I forgot to mention was a rat tail comb and some Rub, some alcohol. This is 50%, and then I have some cotton. So this is the cap that I got from the hair store, right? And I have a black wig cap, but we gonna make this do. So I got these twists in my head, and I'm just finna like do it back like this so my wig can lay flat. This is my first time. Woo! This is tight. I don't know how to comb roll, y'all, but I need to learn. And so this is just what I'm working with. Okay, so it's back like this, and I'm just doing like that. And it looked like there's some baby hairs came with the wig. Combs in the front and a comb in the back and an adjustable strap, it looks like. So I'm gonna put this. Hey y'all, I'm talking, and I'll probably be doing a little singing, not actual singing, because I had a problem importing music to this video clip, and I just don't understand. But that's okay though. Oh, this is snug. Okay, y'all, so this is how the wig look, and I'm finna take a comb.
Take this comb. I don't like the way that this is shaped on my head. Wait a minute though, they're lace. Okay, so this is how it looks, right? So it's the hump for me. I'm not really here for that. That's not the look that I'm going for.
I don't think I gotta put any foundation on it. It blended, but this wig is really snug. It's snug on me, and I just put the clip in the back. I'm not putting no clip in the front. Take this scrunchie that is brand new and just put the hair back in a ponytail. And I just want to mention that when I start to blow dry my hair, it is going to be a different angle. So this is how much I got.
Do 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 do. Do 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 do.
Drying. I got mine on low. Well, no, I'm gonna put it on medium.
Do 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 do.
Okay, so I just did that and it's tacky. I've dried the glue and stuff like that. I'm finna take this rat tail comb to help me lay down the lace in a ponytail.
I hope y'all are enjoying my voiceover because it's funny to me. Do 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 do.
Okay, y'all.
Do.
So I forgot to cut the lace, but I'm finna fix that right now.
Don't cut you. Don't cut yourself.
Do 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 do. Do 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 do.
I gotta jack that up. But this is how she's looking, and she's still finna get put on my head. Take some more. This got to be glued.
Do 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 do.
After reapplying the glue, now we finna put this bad boy on. And yes, there's holes in my lace. Damn. This lace is short. Oh my gosh. Now, if I'm being honest, it looks pretty decent. Now, this side is shorter than the other side, but this honestly looks pretty decent. Oh my gosh. Like, am I becoming a pro? Who wants to hire me? Like, for real, who wants to hire me? I'm just using this part of the comb to lay. Now this side over here is super duper 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 short. So I'm gonna just look at some videos about cutting the lace, because that's where I made a big mistake. I'm finna bring this lace down and hold it there with this comb. Just press it. I did have a wide tooth comb, but this is it. And now I'm finna attempt to do some baby hair. So I'm just finna make this even thinner, because just cut it like this. I'll go on the bag. So this is what I'm using. This was in my little bucket for my hair stuff. Oh, you know what? I cut the wrong part. Like, okay, we're finna start with this one, because this looks, oh my gosh. People who do hair, shout out to you, because and this looks like that ain't it. Okay. Ouch, this looks so much better on the mannequin. when I did this wig. Okay, y'all, so honestly, the install was pretty decent, but the edges on the wig, now that was a fail. Time I'm probably gonna do my own edges and just push the wig cap back a little bit more because it looks good, but oh look, you can barely tell. I want to have edges on it so it can look like extra cute, but this is how it look. Let me comb in the back. So for the install, I did a decent job. I did pretty good.
It just want me to brush it.
Probably been like, okay, so if you can't see the lace, then it's good. I'm gonna put some powder on it because as you can see, it's shiny from the Dollar Tree.
I just rubbed it in my hands. I like to know a little bit of whiteness on it.
And I give myself a 7 because the way that I installed this was a pro. Now, I did forget to cut the lace at the beginning, but that's okay because I went back and I did that. And the baby hairs, me trying to do baby hairs, that did not work at all. And I mean, as long as you don't see the lace around here, then it's good. But this is it, and I hope you all enjoyed it. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Go look in the description box and follow me on Instagram at Kalea Star. It's on me posting the video around 5 o'clock, but I try my best to post every Thursday. Just send out notifications on Facebook and on Instagram about me posting more videos for me. Just look, they may pop up, or just click my name for my channel and just go to videos and they will be there. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and tell me what y'all think about me installing this wig. See you in the next one. Bye.